Made it to the old dealership to get the backhoe. So far so good. Buddy's coming with it. Get her loaded here and get her chained down and head back to the house. The old Ford didn't do too bad pulling. There's the old backhoe. A little quiet sucker. Can't hardly even hear it run. Watch him load her up. All right, we're good right there. All right, give us a minute. We'll get her chained down and we'll get going down the road. All right, guys, so we got her strapped down. Gonna make her to the house. Get this old pig turned around and head back. I had to strap them forks down because they ain't got bolts in them. So, alright, go up here and make her U-turn and we're gonna get off here so that way we can drive and we ain't distracted driving, but we're loaded and we're headed back to the house. So we'll see how, yeah, beer 30 for sure. We'll see how the old pig does. So we made it back to my buddy's backhoe. We got it unloaded. Everything went good. The old truck pulled good. We was able to do about 75 mile an hour down the interstate there, down I-20. So fuel mileage averaged out about 9.9 miles to gallon. So yeah, I was pretty happy with the way it ran. That's its first load since we got the truck finished up. We have a plan to do quite a few more. We just got to wait for motor carrier numbers still. Should be in the next day or two, hopefully. But yeah, so anyways, guys, don't forget, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We got more to come. Hopefully we got the 4th of July off, and like I said, we had a plan to do a little fireworks show. It's gonna be good. If we do it, it's gonna be good. You guys will like it. But yeah, we'll catch you all later. Be safe out there. Once again, smash that like and subscribe button. It'll help me out. I appreciate it, guys. We'll catch you later.